Hey guys, Diwali is over, so let's get back to eating some healthy foods which will fill up your body with energy and nutrients and also will detoxify your body naturally. So let's begin. So first up, we'll prepare a quick dressing in a bowl. So in goes a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of mixed herb seasoning, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, and a tiny bit of garlic paste. You can also use garlic powder instead. I'm also adding 1/4 cup of olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. Whisk everything really well. If you want, you can skip the olive oil here and make a simple lemon dressing also. So keep whisking it just for a minute. Everything is combined well. It's super creamy and glossy. Keep it aside. Next up, in a pan, heat 2 teaspoons of olive oil or coconut oil or ghee, whatever you like to use. Add in half a cup of paneer pieces in small cubes and roast it over low-medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it turns crispy. You can also use tofu instead or small pieces of chicken breast if you are non-vegetarian, or you can even use some chopped boiled eggs. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of green mung bean sprouts. I'm sure you guys must be knowing how to make sprouted beans. If you don't know, let me know in the comments below. Cook that as well just for about 2 minutes as these are raw. Or if you want, you can also steam it separately. But personally, I prefer this option. Followed by half a cup of boiled kala chana and chickpeas, that is chola. Toss everything really well. Then add in some salt to taste and pepper to season. And guys, limit the salt if you have already added salt during boiling the chickpeas. All these are very high in proteins and other nutrients like iron, calcium and minerals, and they have fewer calories. Paneer is a good source of fat essential for your health, and it is rich in protein too. And it will keep you full for a longer period of time as it reduces your appetite. Transfer everything onto a bowl. And then I'm adding 1 onion sliced, 1 cucumber chopped, some tomatoes. If you want, you can also use cherry tomatoes here, handful of lettuce. And then I'm also adding some boiled or steamed broccoli. I had it in my fridge, some capsicum, carrot. You can add any veggies here of your choice. Mix. And guys, this salad provides you all the required nutrients, fiber and supplement to make a balanced meal. Still, you can always alter the ingredients to suit your palate. I'm also adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted peanuts for that extra crunch and bite in the salad. And then add the prepared salad dressing and again toss until everything is really combined and coated with this beautiful dressing. And guys, watch this video till the end as I'm going to give you many options for this salad so that you don't get stuck to this individual recipe. You can also add some fresh coriander and pomegranate here. And guys, I always get a lot of healthy recipe comments, so here it is, which is very healthy and at the same time it's tasty too, because many people consider salad as not to be very tasty, but trust me guys, this one, it's surely to entertain your tongue. So guys, coming to the option, you can use mixed sprouts here, any other fresh veggies, some salad leaves along with some fresh fruits like pear and apple works great with this recipe. You can also use some orange juice or vinegar in the salad to balance the flavor as per your taste. And if you want to add little fat to it, then you can add some light mayonnaise or ranch or even cheese. Now coming to the nutritional value, this one bowl of salad will give you 200 calories and 14 grams of protein. So do try this high fiber protein veg salad packed with all the flavors and textures, and do let me know how it turns out for you. So guys, it looks so beautiful. You can plate it up and garnish it with some toasted nuts or seeds on top. And today I'm using the sesame seeds. And guys, if you really enjoyed any part of this recipe, then please be generous and do like the video. I love you guys so much. See you all with a brand new one. Bye bye.